Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30033. And this is the Racer's Truck. And if you saw yesterday's video, we did the Creator Tow Truck. I didn't intend for this to really be a theme for these couple of days, but I don't know. I enjoy the vehicles. And the trucks have been kind of cool looking so far. Anyway, if you enjoy this kind of video, ooh, cool, check that out. The hubcaps. Anyway, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I've been doing these videos I've been doing these Polybag videos for probably, I think this is number 170. So if you like this kind of video, there's a bunch more already up. And I'm planning on doing one a day, continuing to do one a day for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, there's a bunch already out there and there's more on the way. Now, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon and Bricklink. And I've also included a brick set link if you just want information about the set itself. These are pretty cool looking tires. Isn't that kind of neat looking? I like that. It's better than just the generic hubcap looking things. Alright, so let's check this out. So, let's see. I do like the simple starting first step. They're just like, get this piece. And it's like, ta-da, here's this piece. I tell you what's kind of weird, though. These are black pieces, but they show up as kind of a dark gray when they do them. Anyway. So we need that's a 2x6. So there's that. And then a 2x8, which is this one, like so. Alright, so it takes care of that. And then one of these goes way, way up at the front, like so. And then we flip it over. And take care of those. And then we flip it back over, just as the instructions indicate. And that's a kind of a, I know that's the just general blue color, but I like the look of that color. And that is not the one we need. We need the 1x3s, as opposed to the 1x4 that I grabbed. I wonder where that 1x4 is going to go. Maybe across the top. All right. So that's that 1x4. And then, like so. And then this is going to be the front part of our truck. Definitely getting to the front. And then these are going to be for the wheel wells. There's one. And the other. You know, it's kind of weird, but there's so many pieces that when I look at them, I'm like, man, that needs to be on a robot somewhere. Anyway. I was thinking like, was a shoulder guard or something? I don't know. Anyway. Not that I have occasionally gotten distracted thinking about robots when I'm putting together cars. Not me. That's just crazy talk. Alright. So, that's an interesting choice. Okay, so they want them separated a little bit. So what we're doing is how are we doing that? I guess like this. So it's like this, and like this. So you have kind of a separated truck bed. That's an interesting choice, I guess. I don't know. Alright, so we got that. We got that. Now, I'm going to hold off on the wheels for a moment, and we're going to do this piece over here. Also, this fell off, or didn't get put on. See how we're supposed to line that up. It's supposed to be lined up one back. So like right here. Does that line up? Yeah, that lines up. Alright. Because like that lines up, y'all can see, that lines up with this one. So, yeah. Interesting. Alright, so that takes care of that. We'll put on the wheels in a minute as our like final hurrah. Alright. So let's see. So for this, that, and then like so, and like so. We put this in, and then it's so weird when you get these big blocks. Alright, and that. And then these go on top. And you have a hazard light looking thing in the corner. Right there. And we pop the grill on. Oh, here's the other grill. Like so. And this sits so it sticks out a little bit, so it's got to go right there. Alright. That's pretty good. And then we just pop the wheels on. Alright. And they give you an extra one of those. Kind of cool. The front looks really good though. I like it looks very much truck-like. So you got the front and then the sides. This is interesting. This is really an interesting way for them to do it. I don't know how, I don't know. I'm debating about that. But all in all, it's not a bad little build. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have any suggestions or questions, you can let me know down there as well. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.